I need a volunteer for a little experiment. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and a slight loss of vital organs. I know. Let's play a game. I call it Fun with Electricity. Ever since the incident, I've not been quite the same, except for my shocking personality. I say, anyone have any batteries? I'm feeling a bit drained. I need a volunteer for a little experiment. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and a slight loss of vital organs. Quick! I need a victim. No, I need a guinea pig. No, I mean a patient. No, just somebody lie down and close your eyes. Quick! I need a victim. No, I need a guinea pig. No, I mean a patient. No, just somebody. I know. Let's play a game. I call it Fun with Electricity. Call it Fun with Electricity. I need a volunteer for a little experiment. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and a slight loss of vital organs. I know. Let's play a game. I call it Fun with Electricity. I need a victim. No, I need a guinea pig. No, I mean a patient. No, just somebody lie down and close your eyes. Quick! I need a victim. No, I need a guinea pig. No, I mean a patient. No, just somebody lie down and close your eyes. I need a volunteer for a little experiment. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting. Ever since the incident, I've not been quite the same, except for my shocking personality.